1993 Australian $2 coin. Why this coin is worth looking for. G'day, coin enthusiasts. If you're like most Aussies, you probably toss your $2 coins into a loose pocket or, worse, don't even look at them. You're always on the lookout for a colored commemorative, right? Well, today, we're ignoring the red poppies and the green doves. We're focusing on a standard, plain gold coin that is arguably one of the most important, and potentially valuable, circulation pieces of the modern decimal era, the 1993 Australian $2 coin. Why? Because the 1993 $2 coin has one of the lowest mintages of any non-commemorative $2 coin ever issued for circulation. We're talking rare. We're talking serious collector appeal. Stick around, because we'll break down its history, the design details you must check for, and exactly what this coin is worth. Let's find some gold. The Australian $2 coin was first introduced on June 20, 1988, replacing the easily worn paper note. It was designed to be long-lasting and cost-effective. Composition: it's an aluminium-bronze alloy, mostly copper, with a bit of aluminium and nickel, giving it that familiar gold color. Weight and size: a sturdy 6.6 grams and 20.5 millimeters in diameter. Edge: crucially, it has an interrupted milled edge. You can feel those 4 segments of notches. A security feature and a way to distinguish it from the smaller 5-cent coin. The design: a cultural icon. The reverse design is arguably the most recognizable coin art in Australia. The Aboriginal elder, designer, Horst Hahne of the Royal Australian Mint. Inspiration: the design is based on a drawing by Ainsley Roberts of Gwoya Jungarai, also known as 1 Pound Jimmy, an important Warlbri amateur man from Central Australia. Details: look for the Southern Cross constellation and the native grass trees framing the elder, all surrounded by 24 small dots, representing the 24 hours of the day. The obverse, or head's side, for the 1993 issue features the iconic third effigy of Queen Elizabeth II by sculptor Raphael Maklauf. This is where the 1993 coin separates itself from the rest. The key number you need to remember is 4.1 million, initial mintage. 1988. The first year saw a massive mintage of over 160 million coins. The 0 year, 1991. The Royal Australian Mint struck $2 coins for general circulation in 1991. They only made a few for mint and proof collector sets. The rare one, 1993. In 1993, the demand for $2 coins was relatively low, and the mint only produced 4.1 million for general circulation. 4.1 million. Compared to the average yearly production, that is incredibly low. For context, the rare 1992 $2 coin has a mintage of about 10.3 million, the rare 1998 $2 coin has a mintage of about 8.7 million. The 1993 coin has the lowest mintage of any standard design $2 coin produced for circulation since the coin's introduction. Because of this, it is highly hoarded and becomes harder to find every year. This is the first reason to check your change. So, you found a 1993 coin. Congratulations! Now, let's talk dollars and cents, or in this case, dollars and a bit more dollars. The value depends entirely on the coin's condition, or grade. Condition, grade, description: estimated value, AUD, circulated, fine to VF, heavy wear, scratches, no mint luster, $3.00, $8.00 extra fine, EF/AU, minor wear on high points, some original luster, $10.00, $20.00 uncirculated. UNC, no signs of wear, full mint luster. Taken from an uncirculated roll or set, $25.00, $45.00 plus the floor value. Even a well-circulated 1993 coin, the kind you'll pull out of your change, is typically valued at 3 to 4 times its face value. That $2 coin is really worth $8 or more to a collector. The mint set premium. Remember, the Royal Australian Mint also produced collector coins in uncirculated mint sets and proof sets. An uncirculated 1993 $2 coin taken from a mint set can fetch $25 to $45 and higher. A certified proof strike is easily worth $50, $100 plus. The price is driven by 2 factors, low mintage and the fact that most coins from 1993 were used heavily for decades before people realized their value, meaning very few survived in pristine condition. while the low mintage is the primary draw, we must always check for the fun stuff, errors and varieties. The 1993 coin is not known for a single famous, specific error like some other years, but general minting errors do exist and can dramatically increase the value. Rim errors/cuts, this is a common error to check for. Look for any damage or deformity on the rim, often described as a CUD, a piece of the die breaking off, or a pronounced rim chip. A confirmed rim error on this low mintage date can push the value well over $50 AUD. Off-center strikes. Did the planchet, the blank coin disc, sit properly in the striking chamber? If the coin is slightly struck off-center, it's an immediate rarity. I've seen slightly off-center 1993 $2 coins sell for $15 to $30, depending on how far off-center the strike is. The fabled bullseye error. Context. While more famous on colored $2 coins introduced after 2012, an extremely rare error is when the colored motif is accidentally applied to the Queen's portrait, the obverse, instead of the Aboriginal elder, the reverse. Although the 1993 coin is uncolored, it's a good reminder that quality control slip-ups can happen on any year, making unusual die faults or strikes worth investigation. Rule of thumb: if you see anything that looks abnormal, a doubled strike, a misshapen edge, or strange markings in the field, isolate that coin and research it immediately. So there you have it. The 1993 Australian $2 coin, a coin often overlooked, but a key player in the history of Australian decimal currency. Its stunningly low mintage of 4.1 million makes it a staple for any serious collector and a fantastic find for any coin roll hunter. Quick recap: year to watch, 1993, key detail, the standard Aboriginal elder design, value potential, even worn, it's worth a multiple of its face value. In uncirculated condition, it's a solid collector piece. Now, it's your turn. Next time you get change at the servo, the cafe, or the local shop, check that date. You could be holding one of the scarcest circulating $2 coins Australia has ever produced. Have you found the 1993 $2 coin? What was the highest price you've seen one sell for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable treasure hunts in your pocket change. Keep those eyes peeled, and happy collecting.